Look at this, the Pantheon in Rome. Its concrete dome is wider than a modern Boeing 737's wingspan, and it was built nearly 2,000 years ago. Now look at this. This was built 50 years ago. How is it that structures built by men in sandals have outlasted our own modern marvels? Did the Romans know something we don't? The answer is yes. They had a secret concrete, which is essentially just inert paste binding rocks together. The Roman mixture created new, interlocking minerals. It wasn't just drying, it was fundamentally changing. For years, scientists were puzzled by small, white chunks found in Roman concrete, which they called limeclasts. They thought they were a sign of sloppy mixing, but a recent breakthrough from scientists at MIT in 2023 revealed these weren't a mistake. They were the key to the concrete's immortality. Here's how it works. When a tiny crack forms and water gets in, it reacts with these limeclasts. The lime dissolves and then recrystallizes, filling the crack completely. The building literally heals its own wounds. It's genius, but it gets even crazier. The Romans built massive harbors and breakwaters right into the sea. You'd think salt water would be a death sentence, but for Roman concrete, it was a power-up. The salt water, reacting with the volcanic ash, grew a rare and incredibly durable mineral called tobermorite. The longer the concrete sat in the sea, the stronger it actually became. They didn't just build against the elements, they harnessed the elements to build for eternity.